Yeah, man. See this? Yeah, man. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got that. Oh, yeah, son. Yeah, man. Got that.
Dude, you're retarded.
Got that. Look,
Alright, so today we're playing, well, I went to the park and I found some retard to play with us.
I'm not retarded.
This is him. But he's actually pretty good at basketball, but everything else he's retarded at. He doesn't even know how to dress. But he's a really good basketball player. I don't get that. He's good at basketball, but he's retarded.
Oh, out, son. Move. Hey.
Alright, here we go. Cross me over.
Hey.
Oh, ow! So you missed.
Oh, damn.
Alright, guys.
Max, I do my half court.
Nope. Alright, he's going to do one more trick and then that's the end. Let's go.
Go.
He did that killer crossover over on me. He can't do this shot with it. Oh, oh, he almost made that half court. Watch this. Let me see. Watch this half court shot. This is me right here. Uh-oh. Oh, that was one hand. Alright. Looks like we're done. Retard shot. He shot and missed. Alright. See ya.